before we get started, we need to go over a few safety rules. Remember, safety comes first in everything that you do. Be sure to wear your hard hat, safety glasses, cut gloves, and sturdy boots. Inspect your hard hats for any cracks or damages. You also want to take a look at the date inside. Make sure that the hard hat is not expired. We want to check the ratcheting, and we also want to twist to see if it cracks. Please also check your gloves. Make sure they are not ripped and torn and the coating is in good condition. If your gloves look like these, we need to go ahead and replace them. With your glasses, make sure they are clean and scratch free. These again should be replaced by the foreman. Look at the bottom of your boots and make sure they still have quality tread life left, and see your foreman if any C. Davis issued items need to be replaced. Remember, the topics covered in this video can't cover all the areas or foresee all variances. This should only be used as guideline and not as a complete set of safety rules. There can always be special job-related safety requirements that cannot be covered in this video.
Greeting viewers, my name is Christian Cabrera. I'm an 11th year journeyman electrician. I work for C. Davis Electric. I'm going to show you a quick review of what a normal standard electrician should have on the site. First, I'm going to start with a multi-ratchet screwdriver, long nose trim screwdriver, flathead, lineman's pliers, strippers to connect and strip your wiring, standard pair of channel locks, standard pair of dikes or side cutters for cutting wire, an MC roto splitter, which I'll show you in the next segment how to properly use one for cutting MC, a torpedo level that's magnetic, standard pen tester to check for voltage or read voltage, a couple bits for your drill setup, multi nut driver, and an extension magnetic bit, utility knife, and a marking tool, pencil, marker, any of your choice. I like to have a nice sturdy belt, something above the waistline, padded, holds a lot of weight. I use a tough belt. It's got a connecting system for your different type of bags and tool belts of your choice. And also a standard drill, impact, something that you can torque down screws when needed. A magnetic pouch, I want to say, that helps kind of keep your, your hardware together. That's a standard tool belt for an electrician. On this segment, I'll be showing you guys how to properly wire a Twistlock receptacle using yellow fork terminations. As you see, I already have my solid ground wire landed. You're gonna strip your hot wire about a good inch. Same with your white. Now, using a special crimping dikes that has a crimping head on it, we're going to grab a yellow fork. We're going to place it in the crimping position. You want to spin the wires to keep the strands together. You want to slide in your wires where they push through, and you could see a small amount of copper on the top. You want to take the crimps, you want to squeeze tight enough to feel pressure and to keep those wires intact. Now you want to always pull to double check that the termination is solid. Grab your dikes again. Position your crimp. Spin your wires. Slide it in position and give it a tight squeeze. Once again, double check. You want to grab your receptacle or Twistlock receptacle. You want to identify the screws that you're using. Gold is for power. In this case, it looks black, but this is considered a silver screw for your white. We're going now to the white screw. Your screwdriver. You're gonna torque down till tight. Give the wire a nice little tug to make sure. Take your yellow screw, slide your fork in position. Torque down till tight. Pull to double check. And of course, my favorite part, tape your receptacle to always protect it for future. And there you have a proper termination of a twist lock receptacle using yellow fork connections.